Okay, this one is 6361. Same neighborhood. Yeah pa rin. May neighborhood. No roses, but you have flowers.
Nice and cozy.
Ah, there's a alarm. Entrance.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, smells good. Ooh, flavor. Ito yung flavor. This is nice.
Okay, now the fundamental difference between the last two that we saw, this model and this one, this got some upgrades with it. Looks like it comes with all the appliances. This is a short sale. The other two are foreclosures.
Okay, so this is a short sale.
Make sure you can take this with you.
But it's very clean.
What's that?
Yeah, fabric.
Oh, that smells so good.
It's clean, and I wanted to see this model dolled up to see what it would look like.
It smells so good and it smells so clean. And it's clean.
Backyard is covered
Entrance.
and cozy.
You got, oh, nice. Backyard is really nice. Covered patio,
It's got trees.
Pine
just
trees.
Like ours.
just like ours.
Grass is good.
Very cozy. Backyard. Kalupan yung backyard me.
Oh, you need some water. That'll be good.
Some water. What do you mean?
That's interesting. They have this marketed as a 3-bedroom. It is not. It is a 4.
It's a 4-bedroom. Let's see.
And you have gutters.
Yeah.
Patio cover. This actually this is set up a little bit differently. It's the
Bathroom.
same model. I don't quite understand how they packed in an extra bedroom here.
It's probably the office. What is this one? Oh, this is the 2 bedrooms.
This is 2 bedrooms.
1 bedroom. 2 bedroom.
Oh, that's how they did it. Okay. This doesn't have a laundry room. It's got a laundry closet.
Oh, still good.
Can I take the lights on when you're doing the video?
3. Man, this smells good. Master bedroom. See, I like that color, Norse. It's cozy.
Pretty nice. Yeah.
See. 1 sink, but it's nice and big. Big closet. Ethan's room. Master.